Looking for the best treadmills in 2026? In this video, we review the top home treadmills for every budget, from compact folding models to high-performance machines. We compare speed, durability, features, and value to help you choose the perfect fit for your fitness goals. Whether you're walking, jogging, or training seriously, this guide will help you find a treadmill that keeps you motivated and moving. Number 3. The Cursor Fitness 3-in-1 Foldable Incline Treadmill is a smart, space-saving solution for anyone looking to stay active at home without sacrificing performance. Designed with versatility in mind, this 3-in-1 treadmill supports walking, jogging, and light running, with speeds reaching up to 7.5 miles per hour, making it suitable for beginners and regular users alike. One of its standout features is the 3-level incline system, 0%, 10%, and 16%, which adds intensity to your workouts. This incline capability helps burn more calories and effectively targets leg and glute muscles, giving you a more efficient cardio session without needing higher speeds. The treadmill is built with durability in mind, featuring a strong iron frame and an impressive 400 pounds weight capacity, ensuring stability during workouts. The addition of side handrails enhances safety, especially for beginners or those who prefer extra balance support. For convenience, it includes 12 preset workout programs and a pause function, allowing you to customize your training and resume without losing progress. The 3-screen display keeps track of essential stats, while the wide tablet holder lets you enjoy entertainment or follow workout videos. Its foldable, compact design makes it perfect for apartments or small spaces, and it's easy to store when not in use. Overall, this Cursor Fitness treadmill delivers a great balance of power, functionality, and convenience for home fitness enthusiasts. Number 2. The Fauzi Walking Pad Treadmill 6.2 miles per hour with 10% incline is a versatile and compact fitness solution designed for home and office use. With its 4-in-1 functionality, it allows you to walk, jog, or even work while staying active, making it ideal for multitaskers who want to maintain a healthy routine. Powered by a 2.75 HP brushless motor, this treadmill delivers smooth performance while operating at under 40 dB, ensuring a quiet workout environment. The speed range of 0.6 to 6.2 miles per hour caters to all fitness levels, from light walking to moderate jogging. Its 10% manual incline adds extra intensity, helping burn more calories and making workouts more effective compared to flat walking pads. Durability is a strong point, thanks to the double frame design and 350 pounds weight capacity, providing stability and confidence during use. The 5-layer running belt combined with multiple shock absorbers helps reduce impact on joints, offering a safer and more comfortable experience. The treadmill also features 12 built-in HIIT programs, giving users structured, fat-burning workouts without needing a trainer. A clear LED display tracks essential metrics, while the magnetic remote control allows easy adjustments on the go. Compact and pre-assembled, it's easy to store under a desk or bed. Overall, the Fauzi Walking Pad is a powerful, space-saving treadmill that balances performance, comfort, and convenience perfectly. Number 1. The Trail Viber Walking Pad Treadmill with Auto Incline is a compact, yet powerful solution for anyone looking to stay active at home or in the office. Designed with convenience and performance in mind, this underdesk treadmill stands out thanks to its 12% 9-level auto incline, which adds real intensity to your workouts. Unlike flat walking pads, this feature simulates hiking and helps burn significantly more calories in less time. Built with a heavy-duty alloy steel frame, it supports up to 450 pounds, offering excellent stability and durability. The 2.5 HP motor runs smoothly and quietly, making it ideal for shared spaces or work environments. Whether you're walking during meetings or enjoying a focused cardio session, the low noise level keeps distractions to a minimum. Comfort is also a priority here. The triple cushion design, including shock absorbers and a multi-layer belt, helps reduce joint impact, making it easier on your knees during longer sessions. The RGB LED display adds a modern touch, clearly showing speed, distance, calories, and incline levels. Additional features like a built-in Bluetooth speaker and compatibility with the FitYo app enhance the overall experience, turning routine walks into engaging workouts. Plus, its slim, portable design makes storage simple. Just slide it under a desk or against a wall. Overall, the Trail Viber walking pad is a smart, space-saving treadmill that delivers impressive performance for everyday fitness. Thanks for watching our Best Treadmills 2026 review. If this video helped you find the perfect treadmill for your home gym, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell for more fitness gear reviews. Drop a comment below with your favorite pick or any questions you have. Check the description for the latest deals. Stay active, stay consistent, and I'll see you in the next video.